So hello guys, today I will teach you how to find out statement based question from NCERT, and I will show it with demo and with example from NEET 2022 paper. So let's start. Who am I? My name is Shrav Banerjee. I've cracked NEET JEE Mains and WJEE as a fresher. In WJEE I had a rank of 743. JEE Mains I had a percentile of 98.345 without attempting maths, with 99.92 percentile in physics, and my NEET score is 645, as I was a NEET aspirant in my class 11th and 12th. So let's start. Assertion reason. I have discussed in my previous video over here how to find out the perfect assertion reason question or the hidden assertion reason question from NCERT. So check it out. Statement based question. I will teach you how to find out the perfect statement based questions from NCERT, and a very useful bonus trick is at the end of this video. So watch till the end. Statement based question and the last two options of assertion reason question can be dealt by converting NCERT into true false question. There are two types of statement based question. In the first type, you are given two statements and are told to decide whether they are correct or not. And in the second type, you are given several statements and told to decide whether they are correct or not. The first one is easy, and you can of course make it correct by reading NCERT, and NCERT of physics, chemistry and biology. And the second type can be corrected by NCERT along with some practice and concept understanding. Both of these types are very time consuming and also tension giving at the same time. So be prepared to provide time to those. The second type of the statement based question is more time consuming than the first. Okay, so remember it. I will show the demo from NCERT Physics Class 12 Part 1 page number 143 and 144. So let's start. This page, this is the continuation of this page and this page. Okay, so let's see. This is the first page and this is the first line, and we can make the true false question like this. We'll just change this intrinsic to extrinsic, so that when you will come for revision later on, then you will try to recall whether it was intrinsic or extrinsic, and this is when you will be able to remember NCERT properly. So this will be false. Next line says that Bart's law gives the relationship between the infinitely small element of a wire dl and its magnetic field. So this is a true statement. Next, the r in Bart's law represent the distance between the point and the wire. No, it's the displacement vector and it is bold, so it is a vector quantity. So it is displacement, not distance. So it is false. According to Bart's law, the magnitude of magnetic field dB is proportional to the current I, the element length dl, and inversely proportional to the displacement r. No, it is inversely proportional to the square of displacement r. So it will be a false statement. Okay, next, here it is given the direction is perpendicular to the plane containing dl and r. Here I have made a statement based question. Magnetic field's direction is parallel to the plane containing dl and r, so it will be obviously false. Next, mu naught by 4 pi is a constant of proportionality. Bart's law's expression holds when the medium is anything. Here you will ask yourself that I had read a concept named mu r, so I will give this answer as true, but NCERT says it differently, as the above expression holds when the medium is vacuum. Okay, so the real answer to it will not be true, but it will be false. This is how you can have an examiner mindset. Okay, what is the permeability of free space? Here it is written the same thing, and this is true. Okay, Bart's law for magnetic field has certain similarities as well as dissimilarities between Coulomb's law, but here I have make a true false question, as Bart's law for magnetic field has certain similarities but no difference with Coulomb's law. Then it will be false. Next, both are long range and they both depend on inverse square law of the distance from the source to the point of interest. I have written the same thing over here and it will be true. Next, the principle of superposition applies to both field. Here I have made the true false question as principle of superposition applies to only magnetic field as their lines do not intersect. So it will be false, as the lines of magnetic field as well as electric field never intersect. Okay, next, magnetic field and electrostatic field are linear in their source. Yes, true, which you can check over here. But in the exam time, you will think that electrostatic field may be a point field, but no, NCERT says it differently. Okay, if you are given only linear in their source, then it will be a false statement, but are linear, then it's okay. Okay, next, electrostatic field is produced by scalar charge and magnetic field is produced by vector ideal. Yes, true. The sense of dl cross r is also given by left hand rule. No, here it is written right hand screw rule. Okay, so it will be false. Next, the electrostatic field is along displacement vector joining the source and the field, and magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane containing displacement vector r and current element idl. But here I have made one true false question like this: the electric field and magnetic field both are perpendicular to the displacement vector joining the source and the field point. So it will be false. Next, magnetic field depend on angle, not electric field. Yes, this is a true statement as given over here. Next, the product of permittivity of free space mu naught and permeability of free space is 1 by speed of light square, not 1 by speed of light. So it will be a false statement. Till this point, you might have got an idea how to frame the true false question for solving statement based question. And now one example from NEET 2022 over here. Bayes-Savart law gives us the expression for the magnetic field strength of an infinite small current element IDL for a current carrying conductor only. Statement 2. Bayes-Savart law is analogous to Coulomb's inverse square law of charge Q, with the former being related to the field produced by scalar source IDL, while later being produced by a vector source Q. So we will have to tell whether these two are correct or incorrect. And now, boom. See, in my demo 2 and demo 12, I have shown you that these are the lines of NCERT and how the questions are framed over here. Okay, so our answer will be the statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect, as charge Q is a scalar source, not a vector source, and IDL is a vector source, not a scalar source. Okay, done. Are you too lazy to do all this for physics, chemistry, and biology, all NCERTs? So do not worry. Try using Biohack and ChemHack books by Parth Goel. Sadly, this video is not sponsored, but it's okay. One problem with this book is that they are costly. The second problem is that some points of NCERT are not given in this book, so you will have to double check and make questions yourself. The third problem is that there is no physics hack. So you will have to see my videos on NCERT Simplified over here. Okay, next. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, then comment down. Okay, thank you.